Janet, Try It Like It, Create It, and today I have 12 colors of Color Burst that I got in an auction. So I don't know if these have been used or if they are new, but I thought we would give them a try and see what the colors are. And this one is Brazilian Crimson. And so I'm just putting a few little drops on the paper here, and let's give it a squirt of water and see how that moves. And then the next one is Merlot. I'm doing very small increments here just to test them out first so that we can see the difference in the colors. And this is Burnt Orange. And you can see that they travel when they get water on them. And so we need to be careful about the spacing here. This one is just orange. It's called Orange. Yellow Ochre. And Lemon Yellow. Phthalo Green. This one is Terra Verde. Nozzle's a little bent on that one. Ultramarine Blue. Indigo. Violet. And sepia. Interesting. Now, are the colors powders intermixing? I don't know, because if I squirt a little bit more on top, you can see that there is color activity between them all. And so, you know, did some of the powders from the Merlot get into the burnt orange? That I don't know. Because we're testing them all out. But I wanted to show you another way to use them on your cardstock is to start with the water down. And so I'm putting a generous amount there. And I'm going to take the phthalo green and go on top. And you can see how it, you know, small little taps here just cause it to travel all over. And so this one, if we look at the label here, you can see the modeling of color. And so we're seeing that here in the blue and the green. I want to keep that color down here so it doesn't mix with those. So once we're dry, I can label them and we will know what the colors look like.